everybody, it's me, Francis, with Our Mama Moves, and it's time for another 100 Mondays. As you can see, Mrs. Bernini's Mysticism and Death has finally gotten some color in there. I brought in some monochrome blue, and Death is going to be painted in. But this piece vexed me for most of 2020, if not all of 2020. And finally, I'm just glad that it's coming together with all these blues and everything. So yeah, it's gonna be going to Gingers, and I hope that they like it and that it's kicking ass. It's not done yet, but it will be. Hey everybody, it's time for 100 Mondays, and as you can see, I've continued working on the Ewok. I've added, I mixed some red with some burnt sienna to make his little jacket thing and the cowl that he wears. I basically use the same mixture, only with no white. The first mixture with the lighter parts, I added a little bit of white, and then for the darker parts, I added no white, and then I guess it'll be burnt umber and burnt sienna for the even darker patches. It's gonna look really interesting, I'm also thinking about other techniques, like maybe different other than splatter, or maybe splatter but different types of paint. So if anybody has any ideas, let me know. But not for this piece, I meant for the next piece. But yeah, so I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye. Also on this episode of 100 Mondays, I'm continuing on the commission that I'm doing. I've started doing the background and the sky, which came out a little more purple than I expected. That has to be reworked, you guys will see. It's gonna look a little different, but it'll look different, but it'll look a little bit better as soon as it goes according to plan. So see you guys next time. Bye-bye.